Check, 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 1, 2. It is Monday, June 13th, 2022, and I have been away from the markets for about a week, vacationing with family down in Chicago, and coming into what appears to be just an absolute bloodbath here on Monday morning. We have Bitcoin falling pretty hard. We have all the indices in the red. Everything on my watch list in the red. Coin down 20%. Um, and since I haven't traded or watched the market really in about a week, I'm just going to let things play out. Here we go. Let's watch this BABA for a little bit. BABA's starting to extend pretty nicely. There's Facebook on lows. You reset that low. This BABA really extending to the downside. What is this? It's 101s against 102 20s, 30s. Yeah, I'm gonna go for this 101s against 102 30s. See if we get a pop back up into this area, but I might have to be super aggressive and get it down there. Let's see if we get a pop back up to the 101s. So it might be locked here down at this $100 level. But that's a pretty nice extension down. Almost wondering if my risk can be up to this 101.80, but right now I'll give it a wider room. Up into the 40s, let's see if we can get a pop up into the 90s. I'm actually gonna go a little bit more aggressive with it. Here's the high 40s. There's the 50s, 60s. Here's the 70s. Can we get up to those 90s to test that 101? A little bit of selling in the 60s there. There's Apple on highs here into the 80s. Look at Apple breaking out to highs. Got up to the 80s. What did we get up to? 85 cents. And pulled away. Back down to the 40s already. To the 30s. Did not get it up there at 92 cents. Let's see if we have another chance. There's Micron on highs as well. Let me reset Apple's high day. And step over to Micron. Set a 61.10 high day there. Down into the low 30s. Baba. Coin on highs. Coin on highs there. And back into the 60s and 70s here. Let's see if I can get those low 90s on this Baba. Let's see if I still want them actually. Coin on highs got up to that 52. Let me reset that high day 52.20, and we're into the 80s again on this Baba. Can we get up to that low 90s? Retest that 101. No, we can't. I'm on the offer here at 92 cents. I did not get filled. Got it there. I am short Baba here at 92 cents. It's going to go test this 101 here, it looks like. Let's see what we get. Back down to the 80s. 80s holding up. Down to the 70s. Let's see if we can get back down to the 40-cent area. Stalling out here in the 70s. Back up to the 80s. I'm going to take one off there in the mid 70s. Just scalping this. Let's see if we can get down. There's one in the 50s. I'm going to take one off there. I'm just scalping this. It's my first day back, and I'm just going to be green. Got down to the 50s there. We're not really breaking down as quickly as I'd like. Let's see if we can break down past that 40-cent level. Here's the 50s again. Low 50s, gonna try to get another piece off right there in the 40s. Got that. Pretty in control here. There's the 40s. Let's see if we can get a flush down to the 30s, 20s. There's the 30s. There's the 20s. Nice little flush, and the market's starting to come in as well. There's the teens. I'll pop from there. See if we can get back down to those 20s again. Going once, going twice. Nope. Okay, I'm going to take a cover in the 30s on this probably. If I can get back down there. I'll take it at 40. And that's it, I'm out. I have the low a day set there. I don't really like how that rejected that teens area and bounced so hard. And I'm just scalping here. I'm not trying to be a hero here today. I just need to get some green under my belt after being away for almost a week. It's a little short on Baba there. Nothing too special. Set an alert marker. Let's see what Baba looks like on the wider time frame. Actually, this Baba has this gap here. I wonder if she'll run below 99 down to below 100. I mean down to 99. It almost looks like they're buying. There's Baba cracking. There's 99s. Baba cracks 100 and drops out. Some good volume on the way down. And yeah, I could have held all my size to lows, but in this market, I'm taking profits when I have them. It's summertime. But here comes Baba. Let's see if we continue to crack. I think we will. Yeah, there she goes, down to the 99.40s, 30s, 20s. There's 99, and Baba all the way down to 99.12. And let me actually set another marker there for this Baba because it did exactly that. It just went through this gap very quickly. Um, and I was short around 101, and we just dropped out to uh, basically 99. So that could have been a massive trade. I mean, hindsight being clearest, but this volume profile gap here, this hole, providing some liquidity vacuum effects for this BABA.